Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating power and verifying zero voltage. This protects you and the equipment. Once the breaker is locked out, use a multimeter to identify motor leads U, V, W, and the earth terminal. Next, strip and dress each conductor to the correct length so connections are clean. Make sure ground is continuous. Then position the motor near the compressor, route cable through the gland, and secure strain relief. These first actions set a safe, reliable foundation for the electrical connections. You now wire power and control circuits carefully because phase sequence and protection determine direction and safety. For three-phase, connect L1 to U, L2 to V, L3 to W. For single-phase, follow the motor nameplate. Mount the contactor and set the overload relay to the motor full load amps. Then route start/stop control, wiring through its coil terminals. Make sure all terminals are tightened to specified torque and use proper lugs or crimped connectors. Once done, neatly bundle wires and label each for future service. You finish by performing controlled startup checks to confirm safe operation and correct rotation. Energize briefly while standing clear. If rotation is reversed, swap any two supply phases. Do this only with power off. Measure running current against nameplate and observe vibration and bearing temperature. These indicate mechanical or electrical issues. If the motor trips, make sure overload is set to FLA, terminals are tight, and ground is continuous. If problems persist, isolate circuits and trace for loose connections or shorted windings before further attempts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.